Hello, it's time to go on the move. Of course, 141 at I-64 in Chesterfield. You may have sat in a delay there that impacted your mood or your arrival time somewhere. Well, be advised, significant road construction is getting underway. That's sure to cause some headaches near that I-64 and Route 141 interchange. The prep work for this happened last week. Now there's going to be work happening around the clock. Expect lane reductions on northbound and southbound Route 141 immediately. Additionally, drivers will see daytime lane closures north of I-64 and nighttime ramp and lane closures south of the interstate. MoDOT tells us the goal of this is to get rid of the congestion by making that westbound outer road ramp to southbound 141 wider. It can be problematic right now. They'll be adding a dedicated right turn lane from eastbound I-64 and widening that Route 141 between the ramp and the Woods Mill roundabout exit. Look for safety improvements and resurfacing from St. Luke's to the interstate. This project will continue through the end of the year, so drivers should give themselves a little extra time. Be safe and kind. More traffic coming up.